Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. For today's video, I have my everyday makeup routine. This is what I do every single day. There's only two things that I'll change up, which would be my lip color. I pretty much always do this one, or I'll do like a simple gloss. Also, what I change is if I wear highlighter or not. Today, I'm gonna do highlighter. I like to keep it very simple and fast because I'm always like on the go. So this literally takes me about 15 minutes, around 15 minutes, unless I'm just being slow. That it'll take me maybe like 20 minutes or so. I know a lot of people for everyday use, they like the BB creams and stuff like that. I'm not a big fan of BB creams. For me, I like my base to be full coverage. If it's not full coverage, then I don't see the point of wearing makeup. So I'd rather just not wear any makeup at all. So yes, my foundation, I like it full coverage. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, I always like to start using some chapstick. Then I'm going in with some primer using the NYX primer. You guys know this one is my favorite. Next, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm blending it with the new Beauty Blender. I kind of liked it, but I still prefer the pink one over all of them. So it's just about preference. I wish in real life I can blend my foundation this fast. So next, just making sure I'm dragging it down to my neck, as well as those hairlines. Now I'm mixing two concealers. I'm mixing the Tarte Shape Tape as well as the Maybelline Age Rewind. I know this may seem like a lot of concealer, but I feel like as long as you set it right, then it should be fine. And I have really bad under eye circles, so I need it. Next, I'm just blending it in with my Beauty Blender. Now for brows, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade. First, I like to brush them, and then I like to go ahead. So first, I underline the bottom, and then I shade them in, and then do the top part. And this little jar, at first, like when you look at it, it looks so small, but it lasted me for so long. So long. And again, I think it was like $5. Now I'm just using concealer to clean them up a little bit. I don't do this every day. I'll just do it whenever I need to. And as you can see, I'm not doing the whole brow. I'm just cleaning up the edges that I need. Now I'm just setting in my concealer with my Laura Mercier powder. I like to put my translucent powder where I put my concealer, and then once I'm dusting it away, like set the rest of my face with it. Now I'm going in with the Take Me On Vacation palette. I use two shades, literally that's all I use. So I'm going in with the creamy shading my eyelid. Now I'm just going in with that brown shade, and all I do is just place that on my crease. I feel like just adding a pop of color on your crease just makes my eyes look bigger and more awake. So I'm just blending that into my crease. So now I'm just curling my lashes and then adding some mascara. I literally have no lashes. I've been wanting to get eyelash extensions, but like I hear good things about it, I hear bad things about it, so I'm just nervous. Now I'm just dusting away all the powder and at the same time setting my whole face with it. Trust me, this will make your makeup just last so much longer. Now I'm going in with the Shade and Light palette and I'm using that middle shade. I seriously need to find a new favorite bronzer. This is like the only one that I like. Let me know down in the comments below which one is your favorite so I can try it out. So as you can see, I like to contour my cheeks, my nose. I do my jawline as well as my forehead. You don't have to contour your nose, but I just like contouring my nose. Now I'm going in with the Milani Baked Bronzer. And instead of blush, I was just like at this and I just love like the color that it gives me. And I've had that thing forever. I haven't even hit pan on it. Now for highlighter, I'm going in with this Smashbox 10 Cassie Holmes Spotlight palette. I'm using that middle shade. And I'm just placing the highlight on my cheekbones, my nose, and my upper lip. To recurl them again because I feel like I have no lashes. So recurling them just makes me feel better. Now for lipstick, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution in the shade Chauffeur. I seriously need to go get a new one. Favorite nude lipstick. And of course, to set my makeup, going in with the Mary Badescu setting spray, well, facial spray. And that will complete this look. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys!